white. Rolling, rolling, what a sight. Circle, circle, round we go, where the wheels and bubbles show. Shapes, shapes, come and play. Learn them with us every day. Circle, square, triangle too. Lots of shapes for me and you. Square, square, four sides neat, like a box of toys so sweet. Square, square, standing tall. Windows, doors, we see them all. Shapes, shapes, come and play. Learn them with us every day. Circle, square, triangle too. Lots of shapes for me and you. Triangle, triangle, point to the sky, like a mountain standing high. Triangle, triangle, come with me. Find a slice of pizza. 1, 2, 3, 8! Triangle, rectangle, long and wide, like a bus we ride inside. Rectangle, rectangle, strong and true. Doors and books are shapes too. Star shines bright in the night. Pedal, heart is full of love and light. Amory, shapes are here, let's sing along. Learning shapes with this song. Final shapes, shapes, hooray, hooray. We can learn them all today. Circle,